Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change name and bio on Tango. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Tango application. You can see over here Tango application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to change your name and bio, it is actually very simple. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the My Account interface. At top, you'll be able to see your account over here. Simply tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the profile interface. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the edit icon. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to edit your profile. You'll be able to edit the profile informations like avatar, name, about me, nickname, gender, etc. If you want to change your name, tap on the field of name. Now erase the initial name. Now what you can do is simply enter the new name over here. Once you do that, if you want to change the bio, tap on the field of about me. Now erase the initial bio. Now what you have to do is enter the new bio over here. Once you do that, tap on the right icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here your name and bio will be changed. So that is how you change name and bio on Tango. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.